Cyprus is a stepping stone between civilizations. Lying at the crossroads between many great cities, Cyprus has everything to offer those looking for warm seas and year-round sunshine.
You never know what it's like to be on an island and have the Mediterranean all to yourselves. And you never know what inspired Shakespeare whilst he was writing one of his most memorable plays. Or how you'll feel when you see one of the oldest shipwrecks in the world. You never know where the history of the Mediterranean was written. You never know how comfortable it can get to be away from home. Or how many shades of blue you're going to see. You never know how many tastes you missed till today. You never know what a starry night may bring you. And once you know, you'll never forget. North Cyprus.